Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. Today we're going to do some more testing on the WAINLUX K10 Engraver.
As part of a more in-depth testing of the K10, we picked up a few items that we're going to test engraving on. To begin with, we have a bamboo mini cutting board, a bottle opener,
a leather key holder, and a stainless steel flask.
In addition to the actual engraving and testing to see how well the K10 functions, we're going to give you some tips on ideas on how to make it a little bit easier to set up things so you can replicate and engrave the same thing. Let's say you have multiple flasks that you want to do one after another. We're going to show you how you might be able to make some jigs that you can utilize, and so when you take one flask out, put the next flask in, and it's ready to go. It's all aligned, nothing else to do other than hit start.
So let's get started.
As with the K8, we were very impressed with this K10. It surpassed all of our expectations. We really like how that it's so portable and easy to move around and utilize. You can actually place it on top of larger items and engrave on them. That's a definite benefit over the K8, but the output itself has been wonderful. We wish to thank WAINLUX once again for not only for allowing us to review their product, but also to allow us to pay it forward to somebody else. We have someone, as we mentioned earlier, that is pretty excited about this, and we look forward to giving it to him and seeing what he can produce with it.
Next week's videos, we have 2 other companies that have reached out to us to review their items, or their products actually, and so we're going to try to pay it forward too. So until then, bye-bye.